Strategic planning is messy, and it usually costs 30,000 plus and weeks of meetings. Catipult.ai builds your org, departments, roles, KPIs in minutes. Start with our onboarding wizard. The auto-suggested structure is easy to edit and is instantly aligned to you. Clarify your mission, set your direction, all mapped to measurable KPIs. Generate your department structure using our AI. Define roles for your business. This will allow the system to auto-assign assignments to help the business stay on target. From goals to execution, everyone knows what to do. Every organization needs these 6 essential KPIs to effectively measure its business performance. Our AI assistant will help you understand these 6 core KPIs and generate an effective strategic plan surrounding your business needs. Once you finish onboarding, you can start running strategic meetings that actually move work forward. Our AI will give you discussion items to deliberate with your team. You can easily view and edit your organization chart, changing anyone's roles with a click of the button. View your team's statistics with easy-to-read pie charts and a listed summary. Catipult.ai strategic planning created in minutes. Early access ends May 31st.